Aware na po? Sino ang target audience mo? It's either to teacher or professional. Most probably ang message mo is more respectful and using correct words. But for casual or friend lang, most probably ang mga sending message is more casual. Pinatali yung baga. Direct to the point, hindi mo siya choosing the right platform or select the appropriate platform. Di ba? If you're sending a message or quick updates, ano gamitin mo? Mga messaging applications, di ba? How about for professional ways? Email. For the or in general tools for platforms. Diba? Nagagamit. Information mga applications. Social media. And ano message. That's our the next step. Kasi kinala inyo. So today, we will discuss for the continuation of our lesson kahapon about the ethical and responsible digital communications. So what is yung tawag na ethical and responsible digital communication? So makimasa. O yan po.
Ethical and responsible digital communication refers to the proper, honest, and respectful use of digital tools and platforms when sharing information or interacting with others online. It involves being aware of how messages affect others and making responsible choices.
What do you mean ethical and responsible digital communication? Description niya. It refers to the proper, number one, proper. Tama. Honest.
Respectful.
Yan ka ba? Honest ka ba? And respectful use of digital tools and platforms when sharing information or interacting with others online. So ethical or in ethics, what is ethics na word? It's knowing the moral values. Di ba? Siya mga moral values. Knowing the right or wrong. Right and fair. So, sa digital world naman, is your online behavior. Ano galing mo online? Respetado ka ba? Proper ka ba online? And you respect others mo online in the digital tools. So, that is tinatawag na ethical and responsible digital communication. So, it involves being aware of how messages affect others. So, kung nag-send ka ng message, kung responsible or ethical person ka online, kapag consider ano ang epekto sa tao pag once na mag-send ka sa message sa iya. Ano ang consequence? Like for example, di mo ayaw mo na sa shop. What are the consequences kung mabatong niya? Sabi pag hindi misunderstanding, nakinay ko move on. So there's a lot of possible or